It is well known the coronavirus is spread primarily through airborne saliva particles when someone sneezes or coughs. So two UCF scientists came up with an idea.
They say an enhanced version of the cough drop could potentially help stop the spread of COVID-19. News 6's Carolina Cardona visited their lab to find out how it works.
It's like one of the things you strive to do as an engineer, right? How do you make life better for people?
Dr. Michael Kinzel, alongside Dr. Kareem Ahmed and two other researchers at UCF, say they are close to making a scientific breakthrough with a new cough drop, one that could possibly limit the spread of COVID-19 by changing the density of those droplets eliminated when we cough or sneeze.
The smaller droplets are the ones that transmit the virus.
How exactly would the saliva be altered?
So you're making it thicker, heavier, so more stickier, you could think of it that way. By doing that, you're producing larger droplets, and the larger droplets tend to fall down.
Face mask really blocks off very big droplets. That's what it basically captures. The aerosols, the little tiny droplets, they just move around the mask and just linger around. Those are the ones that are really challenging, and they can go through HVAC ducts and so forth.
Saliva particles fly into the air, and if you're not wearing a face mask, the risk of contamination to others is greater.
We clean it up so that the particles are a little more apparent.
Jonathan Reyes showed us a model of how testing is done. After he sneezes, as seen in this video, those particles are then analyzed.
700-watt lights, they illuminate the saliva as it comes out.
To produce the cough drop or lozenge, the team is experimenting with organic materials.
With slight milligrams of cornstarch in your saliva, it tends to produce larger droplets.
Cornstarch, a common cooking ingredient, seems to be the most effective for their future cough drops.
You could just have it in your mouth with your face mask and mitigate any transmission.
This project is being worked on in collaboration with the FDA. Researchers here tell me they have a deadline of July 1st to present a formula to the public. In Orlando, I'm Carolina Cardona, getting results in News 6.